Kublai Pi Baro Kuku Jongi Karan Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san mentaka singi kilong. Syaram ke sorkar MDA hakaban te'elakam yaka klam COVID-19. Kerwet ting ke Kongres yaka rukam trekam sorkar MDA. Hatu baro ki kot bor ban thiet phone ki khon ban de online class bojeng kili u Dr. Mukul yaka sorkar. Kerpat kinong shong yau jo wai ban perkhat lang ikiba kamai mensi pat ba menit. Ban maramot hi kasenjuk kirang ba shnong nong tricep ni dai area yak turok da para malam. Tementang nia page ki kubor ki bakam benya. Kaseng Kongres Meghalaya mentakasni kalaya thuo baki kemi ki pa bat ki samla puli rukum jo kila shamjing hadu kata-kata nakadaw baka sorkar jela ka penlong yak ki jing puli lengba ka online class. Unong yalam ka Kongres u Dr. Mukul Sangma habakran hakinong thokot kubor ulaya thuo ba hakawe kalyang ki kemi ki pa ki bawan ki long yeng long sem ki baduk ki shamjing ban the ki mobile phone nagabanta ki khon. Uni unong yalam ulaong ba ka sorkar ka deban pet yakani ka jing jong ki pat ba. Hakawe pat kalyang ulakun tuya ka sorkar baka deban pentikna bakanam dan kanu ka jing duko ka ba penbiang ya ka internet hapo ka jela.
Agonizing experiences through which the parents and children are going through because of the new format of imparting education, whether elementary level or your higher secondary level. Because of the online classes, the children are required to have smartphones. How many people are having smartphones? If there are 100 students in one school, how many of them have smartphones? So this part, government has to address. They should ensure that there is a mechanism created to ensure that the underprivileged students, children belonging to the economically weaker section and those who can't afford because of economic constraints are taken care of. There has to be a mechanism. And at the same time, villages who are suffering because of lack of electricity, villages after villages, due to lack of electricity, the transformers have conked out and there is no replacement. Villagers were told, that's why I have told them, look, this electricity, distribution of electricity is part of essential services. Okay. When it comes to controlling the livelihood of agitation of the employees of the MEECL, then they will say that, oh, look, you can't do it because it's essential services. But they're subjecting people to so much of discrimination by not providing and replacing the transformers on time.
Kaseng Kongres Meghalaya mentakasni kalakuno baka sorkar jela kamshem lala bante lakam ya kajing sapriang juk nyang jing pang COVID-19 hapo ka jela. Habakran hakinong thokot kubor batlat pathai kubor u Dr. Sangma ulaong ba nakalyang jong kaseng jong u kamkwa ban kentho ya kajing tre kam jong ka sorkar henre kahaban kersiu thia ya ka tang nakadaw bam lakyar. Ulaong ba kadai ka jingkit kli bat ka kamrang jong ka sorkar ban penyo hakipa ya ka baha kamiat ba kentubru ya ka jingkot jingkhia.
Today I received information in the morning that he has tested positive again. There has to be a scientific interpretation. If a patient who has already after treatment, who has tested positive and after treatment have tested negative, and after that, after almost more than a week of post-COVID treatment because of other complications, again test positive, then there are only two things which can be interpreted scientifically. One is either the earlier test was giving them a false negative result, okay, because the margin of error is always there. Another one is that the virus which has again infected him may be a different strain. You cannot rule out. Scientifically, we have to verify. So therefore, We will have to ensure that in such instant case, government has to be alerted, and then government has to give the direction. Go for the genome sequencing. Find out if it is another new mutant, new variant. This is how we fight against this type of virus. Now, when I talk to doctors, yeah, I was tested positive. Government has to tell them. There is a scientific approach. The epidemiologists should know how to deal with this. That whole way forward to deal with this pandemic. So, friends, I tell you, situation is grim, and the government of the day must wake up from this deep slumber and sense of complacency and stop playing to the gallery. We have tried not to pull up the government as much as possible, but when the government seems to be in the mode of, withdrawal from the responsibility, then we have to wake them up. We have to point a finger at them. Look, you have a responsibility. Just don't sit on the chair without shouldering and fulfilling your responsibility.
Menteri ki kampen roisor uba sniau bhalang dhar mentakasni ulaya kendo ikidukot jangka seng samla maulai pelun kentup ru ikinong mi khmat jangka maulai banyak keren syapang ka jinglong jingman jangka jakathe nyut marten ha maulai mauyong. Yakani ka jingyalang lapenlong hayojana bhavan ha main secretariat. Hakani ka jingyalang uba sniau bhalang dhar ulaya thuba nakalyang ka sorkar kalabu ekawe ka komiti kaban kentup ru ikidukot jangka seng samla maulai pelun UMLA badia UMDC jangka maulai rangba shnong badia Chief Executive Officer jangka Shillong Municipal Board kidukot jangka neka komiti. Nakalyang jang uba sniau bhalang dhar uloong ba artatien baka sorkar kan sa penyo sa kawe ka jaka tenyut.
Namarkan ni don ketuga in continuation dari ketuga joint inspection bangalai inspect berkirang ba jaga mulai berkonversasi dengan bagi lokal MDC kali kauterik nilai ketuga por bangila don gejing ikut ba how don isu ketuga ni minuan dak official meeting tentang lakot ada gitu ulang barna ke department bagi lagi sing sama dengan nak lapor dewe nakat bagi lu lokal MLA baru lokal MDC. Kajing ikan ni higa cuhi namaro. Kirang bak udah beli rupiah don higa jing. Sengau kia yang ada yang morten. Tinggal ikan live jing mudi. Tinggal awan dah kejuh jing mud bah. Lakat balak ru ngin penklohi ban yo ya kan yulan film tak jing bah jing ni. Kamtam jing pajing mulai jing ni. Kata ada condition tu.
Kipat jangka elaka sut nga East Khasi Hills District hapo ka jing penya jangka Environment Coordination Committee ECC lengba chairman jangka UDH Malang lambat kidukot hene ka sngi kilami pat ba daka rally ban penpau ka jing persha yaki coke factory ni karkhana thangdoyong balashna bean hakate ka than menta lakum kitit. Yakate karali la sedang na shikilo badyat bet-bet sa Palau ka Office Trekam u Deputy Commissioner ka East Janta Hills District Klerian harengkat ki plakat bat kijing perta penramjur ya ka sorkar MDA hapo ka jingalam u menteri rangba ka jela u Konrad ke Sangma kumjuru kila penram ya u menteri sorkar badai pet ya ki karkhana nalor u doloi jangkate ka elaka bat ki breu ba persya kerteng nelong benami hakite ki karkhana. Lengba ki jing tho bagi pat ba kila tho haki plakat layo iba ki coke factory ki khamma bani uknyang jing pang COVID-19 amdei ban ailat bakalawe kandap da katedam ki don kam me kal air ba khoi ban ring men sim na lor ki we ki jing tho hadir makila poi hapala ka office UDC ki nangyalam kate ka committee kila yo lat banyakran bar UDC ba I kharmalki bana kalyang jung u ulakular banado la shai kasni unle akabadon kam ban pak khang khredap no yakitu ki karkhana thangdo yong bean nakalyang ki pat ba haba ai jingkran halor kani ka jing persha jongki ki ong ba kamdei tang nakada ko jing penmi bean jongki hendrei ki sngo tho ru ba ka jingmi kini ki karkhana kum ki tet kan sakta ya ka kot ka khya ki pat ka elaka hakir kom ba pher
Kita naik kenje kita ke biok CTE le ngintip don si biok kar kum ketar at eng yo gena tang armud khat art kita kibla yo consent to establish pat habangi phai pat sa ka jinglong jong kini kok ya ikum kilami kum na kitip ho kum du si ong ya kini kam sim kia but le ru aino ek notice seki pat ukhang kerdep ru yang kita ki BPI but kawai ru ngan ong tang kita ki yo CTE CTO, that's not our concern. Our main concern is that to the state Meghalaya State Pollution Board pila ban khang pila ban check ikeli theo tram ikeli what else yakini ki kok puer ngani thoi pi, this is my research. BS6 ka ikeli ke ba penderkam dak BS6 mata one coke is equal to kumba 8,000 lahajar teligi keli one coke, just think one coke kila ban boy kita ki device ke jong kita ke elaka setengah kalau ke elaka ke berit pha very small ngam tip kan no square kilometer kendon manta ki ba kila settle hado kumba saupo sau teligi ki NOC ngila yo lemba ke single window ke bala pas na government jong ke MDA government maju perlata kumu pat ba when you selected leaders habang ngijit economic part ki betip let's say haduk sab kendai teligi NOC lani kita ki certificate ba ke single window agency kala ai manta kila tahu po elaka setengah manta saya ingin diam lada kawai ki kok ngan estimate pi with full scientifically lada kawai ke kok ke temi 10% sab kendai teligi la long more than long inhibitant tang long suka cakap bencong senang kalau long kum ke tegiwi pat kiri ngam kontok ke kiri mo don kiri ki bra long lepa kiri kum kita pi ghost tang lani kiri kaba kibriu kimban se ben hak mino namar kim la chu ben sa this is kani kalau statement kemau kumbo ong Aristotle man is a social animal handre tang no kita ki animal dari tang kita kibriu mo ong social animal tang kibriu tang kibriu ki penjot yang kajong kesem pak kita kena penjot ngani tu pi kini ki cook factories owners
kasenjuk kirang ba shnong nong trai sepngi langdong dai area hakanika lai phoi trik naitung kala penlong da kajing trei mons ngobha ban maramot yaku surok bonda para malangkona shalang phase 1 balabu yu mau nong rimshna surok da udakhot ke ying dor bar ba menshua u Francis Pondit ar sangma yakanika surok la sedang ban shna nadu usnam arjar khat ar daga ba pentre kam yaka scheme non lapsable pool of resources daga sarkar congress bala kenno ba kajing sniu palat jong kanika surok tadai na kajing torti ba kajing bampet jong ka sarkar laong ba hadu menta amsyam ladon kajing siang rong yaki artri ki jingking ki badan hapdeng jong kate ka surok laong shushu ba nakite ki jingking la sedang pentre no hadu snong langdong dai da ka wepat ka scheme ka pakerteng PMGSY Malangkona Bamil Road kabamot baka surok bonda para Malangkona Shalang Road kabahado 10 kilometer kala jano laong ba kajing shna ya kanika surok ru kalong ka batorti hadu kata-kata bat kani kala bu jing e shibu ni kinong let nong wan jong kate ka than bat ka sunjuk kirang ba shnong rengkan bat kinong shong shnong kate ka than kila hab ban ya mi pat ba ban maramot ya kate ka surok ya kanika khubor la pathai da u president jong ka sunjuk kirang ba shnong nong trai sepni longdong dai area
nakaliang jongi ki nong sansar shnong ha ka thain langdong dai ka bala ai kerteng ka sunjuk ki rangba shnong dong nong trai sepni ha kani ka sni ka bamenta ka balai poetrik jong benai Julai snam arjar arpoi ngila organize ya ka jingtrei social work ya ka surok ka ba don 10 kilometer na Malangkona hadu ha kani ka jaka ha ka ba ngihab ban sim ya kani ka sinjam ka daw kalong ba pidon kibun ki jingduna wai balai ngihab ban organize ya kani social work namar ba kani kalanti ka ba ngi try social work mantada ka dong bar ko wai ni iba kala dai ka por ba kani ka surok manta i kumba satang si phang por ki kali ki ba dai ya nangni kimla shu ban ya ki ba ni ha ban kit tierbam tierdi na asam nimla shu ban ya namar ba kilat liu ki surok bat kilron ki ba la ajot se ba palat kumta angila organize ya kani ka social work manta kasni banyarap ya ka thain ka dong jongi khamtam yu pajba kum ki rangba chnong jong ki khat light li ki chnong ki badon ha ka thain ka jongi nakaliang jongi kinong yalam jong ka sanjuk mi ai khublai terpang kinong yalam baro ki bala ya poi nadu ki rangba chnong ki secretary chnong ki bala yawan ha ka ni gasi kabaar kabangi ni kwa ba yo jingsai nakaliang jong ka sarkar badan burom ka ba sensar ya kani ka state ke jongi nibu ya kini ki jingkali ki ba ni kum ki nong sensar snong ngim smooth ko shu ya ki jingpentrai ya kani ka surok kabanang kong ka ba ni sa umdum hadu kani ka por ki ha ka lai arpuai trik jong brai September
8,000 khat ar
u MLA jongi local MLA jongi u badai ru ha ka ju por parliamentary secretary to the government of Meghalaya u Shri Pandit Francis Pandit R. Sangma. Ulwan pli maunong rim ha kaba ayaka surok na malang kona syadu syalang. Akabadon san po ar kilometer. Bar kajing pentrai yakani ka surok kalong tang 10 kilometer haduk menta. Te katkum kidak kishin kiba ngiyo I bayakani ka surok kabala pli da utai nongmi khmat jongi I kumba kala jano. Namar banang ni syatay sa khmat la simno da kawai pat ka skim ka PMGSY bat kajing pentrai kani ka surok I kumba kala ja klep
Hadirin kajing penmi hukum na ka office UDC ka West Janta Hills District ban khang ya ki yoki hat hajowai na ka daw ban te la kam ya kajing priang kajing pang COVID-19 menta ka sngi la sakhi ya kajing kenja ki yoki hat hajowai bat ki yo badon hakijaka ba marjan bar ka jowai laban pen kan mau baka jingkiu ki bayo ya kanika klam haka district kala penlong ya ki bor pen yat ban shim ya karai ban kamper king na ka banta ban wan biang ka shong suk shong shngan haka district kat kum ka jing yo jing tep halaya thu ba an khang ya ka yo he hajowai kat ba ya ki yo haki dong bat kishnong an sha ban ple hadu baka jingkiu ki nong pang na kanika klam ken hiar Habakran bat ki kat tu kat ne ki nong shong yo hayau musiang kila pen pau ya ka jing sngo diao bat jing lungo ya ka ne ka jing le ki bor ka an ka ba khlem da per khar shu e ki duk ki suk ki ba kamai men sngi bat ba men met nakaliang ki ne ki nong shong yo ki kerpat ru ya ki bor district ban per khat lang ya ka jing e jong ki bat ban ple no ya ki yo ki hat namar ka ne ka jing khang dam da ka sarkar ka kalakta shibon ya ka yo ka kot bat ka jakpo jong ki babon
Khamtam yagi wakre sarkar bathan gwa ye ukso ye bor ka kerpat e gi wakre sarkar gwa embor yo gi pelaj ya I yo uliki sikilo chisngi yoko nei ba I ka I ki ba ma I em yo I rotate kse the san yo I rotate hali hator I ki kadubam man kasngi hab lai ta kerpat e yagi wa em gabor usnya bahagi wai ga yaw ga hat yo iliki man gasngi
UMLA Adelbert Nongrum mentlagasni ulaya kendo ya Vice Chancellor Bathama joka North Eastern Hills University u Dr. Shukla ban pensngau hau baga bha kamiat jangki samla pule kadai ban khamno segi trai muluk ki trai jaka uba Nongrum ula ongba wat ada ka sarkar pedeng kam shamla sngap ya kajing kerpa na ki pat ba UVC udai ban long utrai muluk utrai jaka handrai ula kentu ya UVC thamai ba unje di UPRO-VC ubadai utrai muluk utrai jaka
Hakani kasngi ngakum goi na plek yamali masulong khuslai khamtam gajulong gajuman hani po university ko mangipet ya kisan senam hirusan balik no apo gajing dalam jong VC barim u professor Shivastava ki hapdeng gajing penpau jong ki ngamut ki student jong ani ka university lam perkat ki faculty por balik ya educational program na kapor na mat babun ki irregularities kita bijing bom bun bijing toko harkom trekam di wat tadi ka hlemat ben paru bijing benyau ha bijing le maina jong ka sarkar India ha ka bangi kum ki dekat jong ka jelah Meghalaya berkum ki trai muluk halor bijing dawai bun ha badi ILP ha badi boundary issue ha badi ka kernit ke bapra kapan perung dia kata ketin lajong kum gawe ke official language aduh bentang ina sa teh bat kai ga bang ngidang ngilong benyau ru kolong ba ha jing thung yau ni u visi batmai UPS Shukla mubaga central government la thung ha ga dien bang la ya community ba kumno kinwan kita ki professor ki bobet ki baladon kata ka renyeng karenyot ki baladon kata ka jinang jing start ka qualification kumi madam professor di sungo Henry kam sim lawan ban urlong bat mata kasing lawan mani kendu yau PS Shukla kumu new VC layo ya ka appointment na ka sarkar preng ban penken mau yu ba ni kwa ngim kwa shu ba kindon nginang i ki kurum karam namar yani university ka bangi pet kadai ko bai kadai ka jingkar khu ka state ho wala dangi community kita ka own state university no wala ngim pat sama yo la ban yo nrai yani ka northeastern university ka bakan thup ang kiwi kadai ban pet tikana ba ka ji onong kadai yangi kum kita di try muluk haboro kilek
Badak itu ki khubor ngila poisa ka bakut tat hadu bangin de syambyang kublai shibun.